Hello parents, this is Miss Owens. I'm going to very quickly walk you through what all students need to do tomorrow. Most of it's pretty much the same for 3rd and 4th grade, so I'm probably just going to show you one set. The only difference is the math, and we'll take a little bit of a closer look there. But if you have your child log into Schoology, go to courses. We have the 3rd grade and we have the 4th grade. Go on to 3rd grade. If you scroll down, here is the week's assignments. So you're going to click on this week. You're going to click on Monday. And of course this says read me first, as you should do. And it says all assignments for today are in folders for each course. For example, math assignment is in your math course under the folder August 31st to September 4th and in the folder titled Monday. Open your to-do list first and then get started. Make sure you watch instructional videos for each course. So every course has a instructional video and a to-do list. When they finish everything, they need to do their close gap and attendance quiz. That's over here in their homeroom. If we go back to today, this will count for their attendance. They need to do that last, and then they need to do their close gap. Okay, so both the 3rd and 4th grade homerooms have these. And let's talk about reading. So you will go to courses, if your child's in 3rd grade, go to grade 3, 4th grade, go to grade 4. Click here where it says week of the 31st. Click Monday. They have their to-do list. Basically, they are going to complete this instructional video, and they have to read 20 minutes and do their reading response. Okay, and if you click the link, it takes them right to it. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So that's reading, and we'll talk about math in a minute. Science, like I said, is pretty much the same for both groups. Go to August 31st, go to Monday. They can watch the instructional video first, or they can look at the to-do list. They're going to watch the Generation Genius video, what is science, and then complete the exit slip. And like I said, these are linked. This is the same for 4th grade. Social studies, we'll look at 4th grade. We'll give 3rd grade a break. Go to the social studies course, look at the week of August 31st. And just so you know, you won't have all of these other ones because they're ghosted. So just don't worry about that. Don't worry about not finding it. It'll be pretty obvious. Week of August 31st to the September 4th. And then go to Monday. And these need to be arranged better. Let's try that. That looks much better. They can watch their instructional video. They have really not a lot to do today. All they have to do is they have to read for at least 30 minutes in their newspaper. This is their newspaper. And it takes it a second to upload, as you can see. This is 4th grade's newspaper. 3rd grade's newspaper is geography. If they want to make it larger, they can click this, and that takes it full screen. As you can see, this looks like a little grabby hand, so they click down and grab it, and they can move it up. They can make zoom out, that kind of thing. Then they can actually go from page to page like this, but it doesn't show them the whole page. And then if they want to go back out, they're tired of, or they are finished for 30 minutes, they click the little X. It's okay if they don't get finished today with that newspaper. If they do, that's great. It's going to be assigned to them tomorrow as well, to try to finish up, and that there will probably be a few questions that they can start tomorrow, and we'll have to finish on Wednesday. Then they have to take this little pledge saying that they read for 30 minutes. But like I said, they can go to their to-do list and it's all right here. Read for 30 minutes, then take your quiz. Alright, so the last thing I want to talk about is math. So I'm going to start with the 4th grade because theirs is actually a little easier to explain. We're going to start here, go to the week of August 31st, go to Monday. They have our to-do list here. They can start, it really doesn't matter when they do the 10 minutes of extra math, they just need to do 10 minutes. So if they want to do it at the end or they want to do it right in smack dab in the middle, it doesn't matter, just that they get it done. They have an instructional video that's kind of long. It's about 20 minutes long, but it would be a session with me, so that's why it's kind of long. Then they're going to click here and they're going to look at this slideshow. They're going to need their notebook probably to write down the answers as they go along, and also while they do the instructional videos, always good for them to have their math notebook. And then they have an exit slip. I think it's like one question to do. So I don't see a to-do list, so I will go back and add a to-do list. Oh wait, this is the to-do list. It's very late, as you can see. It's almost 11 o'clock. So anyway, okay, go into 3rd grade, and I'm going to need to publish this for you so that you can see it tomorrow morning. And let's click here and click on Monday. All right, 3rd grades is a little different. They have the same things. They have the 10 minutes extra math. They have an instructional video. Okay, but when it gets to the PowerPoint is going to be online. They're going to need to download this, and I've shown them in the instructional video. I've shown them in a different video. Some of them did it last week. But if you please will help them until they kind of get the hang of it. All you have to do is pull it up. And this is online, and the reason why we download it is because if they start working on this, then it will save their answers, and the next person that opens it will see the answers. So we're going to do File. We're going to do Download As, Download a Copy, Download. It'll download. And then you're going to open it up. You're going to click Enable Editing. I suggest go ahead and save it. Save as. It doesn't matter to me where they save it. If you want to create a folder on their desktop, that might be a good idea. Save it there. I'm going to click Cancel because I've saved it like 4 times. And then they'll have it later. Now, going back to this. Okay, so after they've done the PowerPoint, they need to watch this video, and you probably need to watch it with them because they're going to go to an assignment page, and I would show you what it looks like, but it doesn't look the same on my side as it does on theirs. So when they click this, they'll see a submit button right here. Basically, all they have to do is click that submit button, and this is in the video that I sent them. Click the submit button. They click this right here. It's like a little file upload. They find their file. Okay. And then they click submit, and that's it. So I think once they do it one time, it won't be a big deal. And that's it. Just remember to come back to the home course and to the closed gap and the attendance. I'll be checking assignments and things. If you have a question, you can just send it to me via Dojo or email or whatever you need, and I will get to you as soon as possible. Thank you for being so patient.